Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jimmy, and today we're going to talk about the highly anticipated update from Samsung for the Samsung One UI 6.1 update that gives you all of the Galaxy AI features that was first introduced on the Galaxy S24 series. Now, ever since the launch of the Galaxy S24 series, everybody was wondering when the update would come to the rest of the devices, bringing them those brand new Galaxy AI features. So, starting tomorrow, Thursday, March 28th, the One UI 6.1 update will begin rolling out across the Galaxy S23 series, the S23 FE, the Z Fold 5, the Z Flip 5, and the Tab S9 series, which again will bring you all of the Galaxy AI features. So this one is a rolling update, which is very important. Samsung does not push out the update to every device on every carrier in every country at the exact same time. It's a rolling update being pushed out to these devices on a timeline, again, going with all of the carriers as well as unlocked. So this software update will be available to all devices sold at carriers including AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon, US Cellular, as well as retail partners such as Amazon, Best Buy, among others. So we'll actually come back to this email here in just 1 minute because it is a little bit easier to read. It's a black background, white text. This one was sent to me from my Samsung contact, but if you notice that the time has jumped a little bit from when we were recording this video, it's because it's finally now live on the Samsung Newsroom US. When I first started shooting this film, this one was not published just yet, but if you'd like to read everything on your own through its whole entirety, this is an article that you can take a look at. I'll place the link below the video inside the description, talking about some of the brand new features, talking about what it is, basically when it is and where it's going to. So the One UI 6.1 starting March 28th to these devices. Now, there is another thing that I do want to share with you before we go to this email, and that is something that you won't find online published, which is which devices will or will not get the specific features. So most of the brand new features will be on all of the devices, but there is going to be a few that are specific to either a device or maybe there's a device that doesn't have a feature. So we'll actually cover this in just 1 second. And now for the refresher of what some of these Galaxy AI features do. So this one's probably the most popular. This is the circle to search with Google. With this one, you can take a look at anything on your phone. It doesn't matter if it's in your gallery, your camera, a website, an application, whatever you see, you can actually just press and hold where your home button would be. Circle it, and it gives you all of the details and information you're looking for. Maybe it's recipes, directions, a summary, a definition, whatever it may be, you'll be able to get all the details you're looking for. You also have Live Translate, which this one right here is able to facilitate seamless communication with real-time voice and live caption translation during phone calls. So basically, this one I was able to test it with family members and friends. It's actually pretty fun. I did it for more entertainment purposes. I do see how this is very helpful in a professional setting. Basically, anytime you're speaking on the other end, they will hear it in the language that you choose. And if they speak to you, let's say that you speak English, if they speak any other language, it'll come on to your end as English. So it's a live translation and it's very accurate. You also have Chat Assist. Now this is only on the Samsung keyboard. So this will help you with translation, the writing style, spelling, grammar suggestions. Now this one I use literally on a daily basis because every application that I use is with the Samsung keyboard. So I always have the AI features that is along with me everywhere I go and every single time I type. And then lastly will be the generative edit. So this is going along with your gallery or the photos that you're able to edit with any of the AI tools, such as removing, resizing, or just the regular enhancing. So now that we are done with the refresher page, now let's take a look at each individual brand new Galaxy AI feature and which devices they will be a part of. Now, when you see all devices, all devices, all devices, that means it's going to the entire Galaxy S23 series, the Galaxy S23 FE, the Z Flip 5, the Z Fold 5, the Tab S9 5G, and the Tab S9 Wi-Fi. Now, Circle to Search will go to all of those. Chat Assist will also go to all devices. The Interpreter application also goes to all devices. When it comes down to the Live Translate, which is, when you're on a phone call and it's having that live translation and also captions, it is not going to the Tab S9 Wi-Fi. And I believe that kind of makes common sense right there because it's not a 5G device. Now, the Note Assist also comes to all devices. Your Transcript Assist is all devices. The Browsing Assist is all devices. Generative Edit inside of your photos is all devices. The Edit Suggestion is also for all devices. When it comes down to the instant slow-mo, which is where if you shoot a video and you take a look at it in the gallery, if you press and hold on the video, it'll do it as an instant slow-mo so you can see what it would look like if you put it into slow-mo. It will not work on the Galaxy S23 FE. Now, when it comes down to the generative wallpaper, which is where you can use AI to create a wallpaper, it will work with all of the devices. So for the photo ambient wallpaper, you'll see that this is the only one that is not moving down to the other devices. It is stuck here on the Galaxy S24 series. So the photo ambient wallpaper, what that is when you take a look at your lock screen wallpaper, if it's raining, you'll see rain. If it's snowing outside, you'll see the snow. If it's sunny, then you'll just see a little glare of the sun on the top right-hand side or left-hand side. It kind of moves a little bit. How you're able to turn this one on if you have the Galaxy S24 series is you want to go inside your settings, tap on the advanced features, and then inside of advanced features, you tap on labs. And then this is where you see photo ambient wallpaper, and this is where you can turn it on. So once you basically turn this thing on, and if you would like to see what it looks like, let's say that we press and hold here on the lock screen, just so I can show you, a little demo of what it could be. Let's say that I go down over here and I hit on this little play button. Now what it's going to do is just kind of show me examples of what it would do if it was raining, if it was snowing, which it should show here in just a second. And then other than that, it would be a little bit of a glare of a sun. That's the only one that they didn't show with this one. So that's everything that I wanted to cover in today's video. I wanted to make sure you guys knew when it was coming, to which devices, which features are coming, where those features are going. Also, I wanted to show you a little bit of a refresher of what's going on. And then if you would like to read it for yourself, you have this website right here. I'll place this link below the video inside the description. So this way you can take a look at it for yourself. So hopefully you guys appreciated this video. Hopefully you have learned something, but be on the lookout starting Thursday, March 28th for this update to start rolling out. Again, not everybody will get it on the exact same day at the exact same time in every single country from every single carrier. It's a rollout update starting Thursday, March 28th for those devices. So if you guys appreciated this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.